DL2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe!
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Patuloy na naunguna si Miss International USA and Miss International Philippines sa hot picks na bagong bigay ng Sash Factor. Let's watch the top candidates and their hot picks. For top 15, we have Malaysia. Top 14, Canada. Top 13, Ecuador. Top 12, Indonesia. Top 11, Myanmar. Spot number 10, Brazil. Spot number 9, Cambodia. Spot number 8, El Salvador. Spot number 7, Colombia. Spot number 6, Puerto Rico. For the top 5 hot picks, we have number 5, Vietnam. Number 4, Thailand. Number 3, Venezuela. Number 2, Philippines. And number 1, USA. Sino sa tingin nyo ang mag-uuwi ng corona at sino ang inyong paboritong mag-uwi ng corona para sa darating na Miss International Queen 2024? And at this point, please do leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.